Welcome children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today we have assignment on so many concepts. It's a recapitulation of topic. What is the topic? Southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon is also called as retreating monsoon. Okay. In southwest monsoon, the wind starts in the month of June, whereas in retreating monsoon, the wind starts actually from the September and it ends up to the January. But retreating monsoon and northwest monsoon, the wind starts in the month of December to January. Okay, so actually retreating and northwest monsoon both are same, only the some part of the region rain falls in the month of September, October and November. In some part of region it falls only in the month of January, but it starts, the period starts from September to January. This is the period for actually retreating monsoon and northeast monsoon. Retreating and northeast monsoon both are same. Is it right? Now let us go and do the assignment for you. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. What is here? The northeast monsoon winds blow from land to sea. The northeast monsoon wind blow from land to sea. Whereas in southwest monsoon is a season of summer and the wind blows from sea to land. Whereas in the northeast monsoon the wind blows from land to sea in the month of December. In the month of December, the option is C. C is the option. Is it clear, children? Now let us go for the next one. The fertile plains of North India is the abode with dash soil. The fertile plains of North India is the abode with the dash soil. Northern plains, that is the Indo-Gangetic plains, it is completely filled with the fertile soil. What is the fertile soil? You have different soils here, red, black, alluvial and laterite. It is blessed with alluvial soil. It is blessed with alluvial soil. The answer is C again. The answer is C again. Now coming to the third one, the Himalayan mountain ranges are from dash to dash. It travels from one part of the region to another part. It is a what region? It is a direction. So what are the direction Himalayas? Whether it travels from west to east, or is from west northwest to northeast, or is east to west, or northeast to northwest. Himalayan mountains travel from northwest to northeast. B is the answer. Himalayan mountain travel from northwest to northeast. B is the answer. Let us go for the next slide. You have some pictures here. You have to match these words, or you can say different phases, and with these pictures. So what is the phases here? The southwest monsoon. The southwest monsoon. Almost 80% of rainfall occurs during this monsoon period, southwest monsoon period, and during that period farmers sow a sort of seeds, and in India there are two staple foods. In the southern, paddy, in the north it is wheat. So during southwest monsoon people sow the paddy. Okay, paddy fields are flourishing during that period. So you can say that southwest monsoon goes to the paddy field. So where is the paddy field? The same option, A is the answer. A is the answer. This is even called as Kharif season. Okay, Kharif season during the monsoon period, Kharif season. Coming to the second option, global warming. Global warming. What is global warming? That we are warming the globe from inside and outside. Okay, when the globe is warm, what happened? We have to face lot of natural calamities. One under that is Arctic and Antarctic circles. You know, Arctic and Antarctic circles are melting so fast, so rapidly that you can't see the ice sheets actually. And polar bears who exist on and take the shelter on the ice sheets, they are melting now. So where the polar bears has to go? They have to look after another planet, or they have to look after another region. Okay, when all the glacier melts, what happens, children? The whole earth will be submerged in the water, right? That definitely is going to happen unless until we do not protect our world with putting lot of plants and not releasing lot of carbon dioxide. We need to go for the sustainable development. Okay. So here global warming definitely goes with this picture. You can see the ice sheets are melting, and you have seen here polar bear. So answer go for the C. C is the option for that. Now what is remaining? There is only one option is remaining, retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon also called as northeast monsoon, and during northeast monsoon when the wind travels to the northern part, it is a winter season, and during the winter season in the region of Punjab and Haryana, they sow wheat plants, wheat plantation. You can see Punjab and Haryana is a wheat basket of India. They produce lot and lot of wheat grains there. Okay, and this is the Rabi season. Rabi season goes for the winter season. So any wheat here? Yes, B is the option. I hope southwest monsoon and retreating monsoon or northeast monsoon both are thorough with you. With this, we are going to conclude the concept. I hope you are perfect with all the different concepts. It comes when you read again and again, and if you don't have any doubts, that means you are perfect with the concept. And if you have no doubts, that means you are thorough. Sometimes, when you have no doubts, sometimes it makes us that you don't know anything actually. So keep on reading the textbook so that you can ask many doubts with your teacher, and when you are reading that paragraph, make a list. This is my doubt, I need to ask to my teacher. Okay. So make a habit of reading the textbook, children. Read and gain the confidence, gain the knowledge, and be confident. Thank you, children. Thanks a lot.